Hello, I'm Dr. Arpita Komanapalli and I'm glad you're watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 tips that will help you in eating healthy. Staying home with limited options and taking care of everyday chores can be challenging to eat healthy. Whether you're looking to lose weight or simply want to improve your meal plan, healthy eating can be tough if it is done without a plan and preparation. But with a bit of planning, it is relatively easy to eat healthy. Eating healthy is important as it improves your overall well-being, helps you manage a healthy weight, gets your immune system working better, delays aging, reduces the risk of diseases, and improves your mood as well. Yes, the secret to improving your mood is also in your gut, as unhealthy gut bacteria can impact your mental health, leading to issues like anxiety and depression. In fact, the greatest concentration of serotonin, which is involved in mood control, depression, and aggression, is found in your intestines. Here are 5 tips that will help in eating healthy. Include healthy fats. Most healthy eating guidelines include a variety of heart-healthy fats such as extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, grass-fed butter, ghee, and dark chocolate. Enjoy these foods in moderation as a part of a well-rounded diet. A diet lacking in these essential fatty acids can affect your health, causing symptoms like dry skin, increased hunger, low energy levels, and brain fog. Don't focus on calories. Instead of focusing solely on your calorie count, follow the general healthy eating guidelines and include a range of nutritious ingredients into your diet to obtain a good macronutrient mix of protein, fat, carbs, and fiber. While counting calories can still be a useful strategy for promoting weight loss, it shouldn't be your only focus. Focusing on the calories you consume rather than the nutrients in your diet can increase the risk of nutritional deficiencies and leave you feeling tired and weak. Include carbs. Rather than cutting all carbs out of your diet, swap out unhealthy processed or refined carbs for nutritious fiber-rich foods instead. Nuts, seeds, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are examples of wholesome carb-containing ingredients that you can enjoy as a part of healthy diet. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all of which will play an integral role in your overall health. Nuts, seeds, and legumes and grains also contain carbs and contain many micronutrients in each serving as well. Eat fermented foods. The process of fermentation can transform ordinary vegetables into superfoods. The culturing process increases the presence of beneficial microbes that are extremely important for human health as they help balance your intestinal flora, thereby boosting your overall immunity. Your gut literally serves as your second brain and even produces more of the neurotransmitter serotonin, which is known to have a beneficial influence on your mood. This has a higher influence on your mood than your brain does. So maintaining a healthy gut will benefit your mind as well as your body. Fermented foods are also some of the best detox agents available, meaning they can help get rid of your body of a whole variety of toxins, including heavy metals. Fermented foods you can easily make at home. They include chutneys, cultured dairy such as yogurt, kefir, and sour cream. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, also known as scheduled eating, does not necessarily mean abstaining from all food for extended periods of time. Rather, it refers to limiting your eating to a narrow window of time each day. Simply eat all meals or snacks during a limited window of time. Ideally, you'll want to limit your eating to a window of about 6 to 8 hours each day, which means you're fasting daily for 16 to 18 hours. This is enough to get your body to shift into fat burning mode. Generally, the more your body uses carbs as its primary fuel rather than fat, the longer this will take. Once you shift to fat burning mode, modern research has confirmed some of the benefits, like normalizing your insulin sensitivity, which is key for all chronic diseases from diabetes to heart disease and even cancer. Normalizing ghrelin levels, also known as the hunger hormone. Promoting growth hormone, human growth hormone production, which plays an important part in health, fitness, and slowing the aging process. It also lowers triglyceride levels, reduces inflammation, and lessens free radical damage. So typically you start by not eating anything for 3 hours prior to going to sleep. This will give you a start to fasting process. So if you sleep for 8 hours, you have already fasted for 11 hours when you wake up. The next step is to wait as long as you can before you start your first meal or break your fast. You can gradually extend the fasting window by 15 to 30 minutes a day. I hope you can start implementing these tips and start eating healthier. Here is a scripture to meditate on. But the Lord is faithful, and He will strengthen you and protect you from the evil one. 2 Thessalonians 3:3. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you again in my next video.